So my name is Dr. Francis Agyekum. I'm a physician specialist in the Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Ghana. I completed the Preventative Cardiovascular Medicine Diploma in that course in September 2021 by courtesy of Merck Foundation with the University of South Wales. Following this course, I think it's been very useful to me. I've been able to acquire a lot of knowledge in managing my patients with cardiovascular diseases. We've been able to organize some trainings also for our doctors who are with us in terms of how to assess the cardiovascular risk of patients. We organized a national workshop through the Ghanaian Society of Cardiology, of which I'm the General Secretary. So we did a training for doctors in how to assess the cardiovascular risk of our patients. Following this meeting, we realized that we did not have a localized risk assessment tool for Ghana, so we have started the process of trying to develop a local tool for assessing cardiovascular risk for our patients. This is going to be a locally derived and validated tool that is used to assess cardiovascular risk for our patients in Ghana. It has also helped in my training of my students. I mean, the way the course is taught, I learned a lot from it, and I'm using that to also train my students, especially the interactive way and the student-led ways of learning. I found it very useful, so that has also impacted a lot in the way I train my students as well. When it comes to my patient care, I now pay particular attention to the cardiovascular risk assessment of my patients, not just what they present with, but try to fully assess them and be able to manage them. Patients usually come with complicated conditions, lipid disorders, hypertension, diabetes, but because of the course, I'm now able to fully assess them and be able to manage them well. I want to use this opportunity to thank Merck Foundation very much for availing this course to us. In fact, we wouldn't have been able to afford the course, but many people in Ghana, not only me, even in my institution, we have several doctors who have benefited from this course, and I think it's something very useful for us. In addition, even after completing this course, they've enrolled me in the MSc in Cardiovascular Medicine, which I think is very useful in terms of my research that I am undertaking in Ghana. So thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity.